Hello everybody, today I will be showing you how to apply transitions in Adobe After Effects and a lot of these transitions too. So sorry for a lot of the Adobe content recently, but this is what I'm getting interested in. So this is what I'm going to use as an example. So usually you would be in this editing tab when you're first in After Effects. So obviously you need 2 clips for this. I'm gonna remove this page peel here. So we just have a normal video with this cut. Just go straight to the video. But Adobe already has something that you can do with this. Apply default transitions. It just does this. So I don't have I guess it's like insufficient media. I don't really know what that means because I'm still new to Adobe too, but this will add a simple fade to your video. But let's say I don't really want that. This is the second way to do it. So you basically go to Effects. Since I'm on one of the more recent versions of Premiere Pro, you have to. I have video transitions down here. I'm gonna use Iris, and then I'm gonna use page peel. All right, let's do page peel. So let's just drag this in between. I'll click OK, and now we got a nice looking page peel transition. Now 3D motion, I think I know what this is. It just puts these as textures on a cube. So basically like this. That's cool. You can also add audio. There's audio transitions too. But that's if you're if you have a mic that needs to have a threshold, but you can't do that. And then, so I'm going to test out more. You could already click off the video now, but I'll show you some. These ones that play with squares, you probably don't really like them that much. They're not good for transitions. Alright, zoom. Okay, that's cool. I want to try this. I don't know why it keeps giving me that. It's probably because... Oh, okay, now, never mind. I'm just not gonna mind it. That was cool anyway. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. There's no way to enjoy that, but yeah. Bye.